Welcome back to the Crown Society. Are you ready to see how the ultra-rich travel? Forget everything you know about standard cars. Today we are counting down in the world's most expensive, most luxurious sedan of 2026. These machines are not just cars. They are moving palaces, but you have to stay with me because the number one spot is so shocking. You would not believe it exists. Don't scroll, don't skip, and stay locked in because what happens in these cabins will absolutely blow your mind. Porsche Panamera. Starting at number 10, the Porsche Panamera. This is not just a sedan. It's a sports car disguised as a limo. It's fast, it's a sleek, and it's power. Don't skip, because the way this interior combines high-tech screens with pure leather is something you have to see to believe. Next one, Lexus LS 500. At number 9, we have the Lexus LS 500. This is a sanitary. It's quiet, it's calm, and the craftsmanship, handcraft glass inside, is unlike everything else. Keep watching because we are just getting started. Audi A8L. Number 8 is the Audi A8L. Think of this as your private executive lounge. It's got matrix lights that actually shape the beam to keep you safe. Mercedes-Benz EQS. Number 7, the electric beast. The Mercedes EQS, this car is from the future. It has a massive screen that spans the entire dashboard. Stay right here because you don't want to miss how this car uses AI to learn exactly what you like. BMW 7 Series. Number 6 is the BMW 7 Series. This is the ultimate cinema on wheels with a 31-inch screen that drops from the roof. The back seat is officially the best seat in the house. Don't go anywhere. Genesis G90. Number 5. The Genesis G90. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's setting a new standard for luxury. This car is pure class. Rolls-Royce Ghost. Number 4. The Rolls-Royce Ghost. We're entering the big league now. The starlight ceiling makes it feel like you are driving under the night sky. Stay with us because this car is a true masterpiece of engineering. Bentley Flying Sport. Number 3 is the Bentley Flying Sport. It's the perfect mix of power and art. The rotating dashboard is partly trick that never gets old. Don't scroll away because the top 2 are coming up. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Number 2. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the king of the road. It's quiet, it's massive, and it's the ultimate symbol of wealth. But it's the best. Stay tuned to find out. Mercedes Maybach S-Class. Mercedes Maybach S-Class. And finally, number 1. The Mercedes Maybach S-Class. This is not just a car, it's a sleeping compartment with extra leg room and massage seats that feels like a professional spa. This is the pinnacle of luxury. So which of the masterpieces would you choose if money were no object? Was Maybach what you expected? Or did another car steal the show? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this journey in the world of luxury, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Crown Society channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss out next upload. We have even more shocking content coming your way. Thanks for watching and a hug thank you to all of our amazing viewers. Stay tuned and we'll see in the next one.